Hi, my name is Liu Siyuan. This is my career passport reflective video. From my results of the employability tool, I have greater advantages in my professional level. However, in terms of digital literacy, communication, and leadership, I'm at a million level and have a lot of room for employment. My career mobility and the ability to link theory with practice are relatively poor. My career goal is to work in a game company. The company relies on platforms, communication with players, and team management. The professional factor of this require a high level of digital literacy, communication skills, and leadership abilities. Based on the results of my employment ability assessment, I need to improve my digital literacy, communication skills, and leadership abilities to optimize the server experience and team cooperation. From enhancing your business mind, I have come to realize that the career of a game professional is not accomplished slowly by technical skills or creativity. It also requires the assistance of business thinking, the market research, and user study knowledge. I acquired made me realize that game planning should not only focus on presenting one's own intentions. From a business perspective, game planning also needs to consider whether the game person, which is winning the two learns or winners of the game users, has been adequately considered in the game maintaining decision that one is proficient in. During my career position from a highly efficient planner to a key planner and then to a producer, the accumulation of business thinking has been ongoing. The project management and the final core knowledge learned in the focus in the careers provide me with the means to rationally allocate resource and control experiences in the future. Industry case also allow my thinking to touch up more innovative business models. University time contributes to my business thinking in future career. I actively studied industry trends and analyzed successful game case, thereby developing a keen sense of the market. On reflection, during my university years, I lacked target learning that combines theory by with practice. This also reflected in my results of the employability tool test, where I performed poorly in the aspect of lacking in theory practice integration. If I have systematically studied business knowledge in university, such as user behavior analysis, project management, or participated in industry internships earlier, the concession in my career at the beginning would have been smaller. In the future, I will like up for my shortcoming and aim to become a leader, decisioner, or a producer, integrating technology, creativity, and business thinking to drive the game's success from concept to make throughout the over time. I have decisioned 3 career paths of the ODC plan, each focusing on the gaming industry, sales, profession, and starting a business. Through pre-decision, I believe my career path has some rationality. For instance, in the aspect of game company master, the 5 stages are logically coherent with a clear progression path from joining a game company to become an entrepreneur. Key links such as personal network resources were also noted. However, my ODC plan lacks specific milestones at different stages, and this is a common issue among the three career paths. For example, in my career path, accumulating experience is a frequent action, but it's also clear what kind of experience is accumulated through with which projects, researching in the plan lacking feasibility. Furthermore, my career path also lacks specific goals and the concept of sustainable operation. In part 1 and 3, although the ultimate goals of becoming a master of the game company and owning a store provide motivation, they lacked a reflection mentioned for intermediate goals. In the career path of own a shop after achieving the profit target, I directly moved to the stage of traveling and enjoying life, without considering whether the profit of the store was sustainable. For the store to achieve sustainable profits, adjustments and changes need to be made based on the market environment. Through this reflection, I realized that the core of the OTC plan is to embrace uncertainty with a clear, while also retaining the exploration of different decisions and having a clear structure for each stage. I will continue to optimize the plan in the future. These reflections make me think more about how to improve myself and how to set my career goals, and I want to tell my future self to be confident and present, and I need to keep critical when assessing my career path. In conclusion, from my reflections on my employee abilities, career path, and university experience, I focus on the feasibility, risk resistance, and the depth of self-awareness of the career plan. It pushed me from a partner to an executor.